everyone. Welcome back to Bitfix. Today I'm going to show you how you can write an effective motivation letter using AI tools. If you're applying for scholarships, jobs or university programs, a motivation letter is your chance to stand out. But don't worry, with AI, writing one doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let's dive into the steps. Choose the right AI tool for writing. Before we start, you'll need an AI tool that can help with writing. There are some popular AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, and Jasper. For a motivation letter, I'd recommend ChatGPT because it allows you to interact with the AI in a conversational way, making it easier to refine your ideas. Once you're set up with the tool, we can start building the letter step by step. Start by gathering all the information you want to include. This should include your academic background, professional or volunteer experiences, skills and strengths related to the position. Why you're interested in this opportunity, write down a few points for each of these. Having these ready will help the AI generate content that truly represents you. Set the tone and purpose of your letter. AI tools work best when you give them clear instructions. Start by explaining the tone and purpose of your letter. For example, say, write a motivation letter for a university application with a professional and enthusiastic tone. This will set the direction for your AI tool, making the content more tailored to your needs. Now that you have a full draft, go through it carefully. Read each line to make sure it truly sounds like you. Add any specific details the AI might have missed, and double check for grammar and flow. This is where you'll make the letter feel truly personal and unique. Before submitting, proofread everything one last time. You can even use a tool like Grammarly to check for any final grammar or style issues. Remember, a well-polished motivation letter shows attention to detail and makes a great impression. And that's it. Using AI can save you a lot of time and give you a solid foundation for your motivation letter. But always remember to personalize and review each section to make it feel like it's genuinely written by you. Don't copy-paste the whole letter written by AI. Make some changes and try to use simple English. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this helpful. Good luck with your applications and see you in the next video.